Hi, my name is Chelsea from SIB Visions. I am going to show you how to create your first application with VisionX low coding platform. To begin, we click on the Custom Application plus button at the bottom. Next, we will need to choose a new name. For our example, we are using Projects. Afterwards, simply click Finish. Here, a Next Steps wizard will pop up where we can create a new screen, which we will also name Projects. We will choose a web layout, although all screens are responsive and working with other technologies such as mobile or desktop applications. Then we will quickly define the data model, but you can also take this from an Excel sheet or an existing database. For our project, we will use a name field, a description field, a from date, and a to date. Then we will click on Finish, and it will generate our data model as well as the full screen. If we wanted, we could change this in the designer. For example, we can move this field over here. Then we can preview it in the web or mobile by clicking on the preview button at the top. To log in, the user is admin and the pass is also admin. Once loaded, we see our project that we have built. With new, we can enter a new project with the name, relevant information, and pertinent dates. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching.